Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OpenSSH for hardened configuration on VPS. Complete guide step by step clearly. Start by accessing your VPS through SSH. Use an SSH client like PuTTY or the terminal on Linux or Mac OS. Log in with your root or sudo user credentials. Update your package list to ensure you have the latest version of your packages. Run the command sudo apt update for Debian-based systems. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update. Install the OpenSSH server if it's not already installed. Execute the command sudo apt install OpenServer for Debian systems. For Red Hat-based systems, run sudo yum install OpenServer. Once installed, confirm that the OpenSSH service is running. Use the command sudo systemcll status ssh for Debian systems. For Red Hat systems, use sudo systemcll status sshd. If the service is not active, start it with sudo systemcll start ssh. Enable the service to run on boot with sudo systemcll enable ssh. Now, open the SSH configuration file for editing. Execute sudo nano /etc /ssh/sshd_config. Look for the line starting with #port22 and uncomment it. Change the port number to something less common for added security. Next, find the permit root login directive and set it to no. This prevents direct root login via SSH. Look for password authentication and set it to no. This will require key-based authentication only. Scroll down to find the challenge response authentication directive. Set it to no as well to enhance security. To enforce key authentication, generate an SSH key pair if you don't have one. Use the command ssh keygen TRSAB 4096. Follow the prompts to save the key in the default location. Then, copy your public key to the VPS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.